Airbus SE is a European aerospace corporation with a global presence. The company operates in commercial aircraft, defense and space, and helicopters. Airbus emerged as the world's largest manufacturer of airliners in 2019. The company originated as Airbus Industrie GIE in 1970. It was formed to compete with American-built airliners. In 2000, Aerospatiale Matra, DASA, and CASA merged to form EADS. EADS acquired full ownership of Airbus Industrie. EADS rebranded as Airbus SE in 2015. Airbus has offices and assembly plants in France, Germany, Spain, and the United Kingdom. More recent additions include Canada, Malaysia, the United States, Morocco, and India. The company's headquarters are legally registered in Leiden, Netherlands. Day-to-day management is conducted from Blagnac, France. The SE in its name denotes Societas Europea. Airbus is led by CEO Guillaume Faury. The company is included in the Euro Stoxx 50 stock market index. Airbus shares are listed on the Paris, Frankfurt, and 4 Spanish stock exchanges. The Airbus product line started with the A300 in 1972. The A300 was the world's first wide-body, twin-jet aircraft. Initial sales were slow for the A300. The introduction of the ETOPS 90 rule greatly benefited the A300. The A300 could then operate over the North Atlantic. It could also operate over the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. This made it a more efficient alternative to trijets and 4-engined aircraft. Airbus then developed the A310. The A310 met demand for a shorter body but longer-range version of the A300. The A310 introduced a glass cockpit. This eliminated the need for a flight engineer. The A310 also had a redesigned rear fuselage. The A310 was manufactured from 1981 to 1998. These design changes were later incorporated into the A300-600. Building on its success, Airbus launched the A320 in 1987. The A320 became a major commercial success. The A320 was the first commercial jet to use a digital fly-by-wire control system. Airbus's revenue in 2022 was €58.8 billion. The company's order backlog reached €449 billion. Airbus employs approximately 130,000 people worldwide. This includes engineers, technicians, and manufacturing specialists. It also includes management and support staff. Airbus's commercial aircraft division produces a range of airliners. These include the A220, A320 family, A330, and A350. The A380 was also a key product, though production has ceased. Airbus Helicopters produces a wide range of rotorcraft. These helicopters serve both civilian and military markets. Airbus Defence and Space develops military aircraft. It also develops space technologies and related services. Airbus invests heavily in research and development. This ensures continued innovation in aerospace technology. Airbus remains a key player in the global aerospace industry.